All right, new day. Had a good day fishing yesterday. Had a lot of fish, and we caught some snakes. It was a good day, good time. Today I'm trying to work on this. I want to put bricks over there. I bought that a while ago, the cement. I put bricks in the inside, then I'll put a door, and then I want to put cement going all the way down into that hole over there. Yeah, but we gotta hunt for some small bricks like those. I think I put them like 2-3 years, 4 years ago. I put them inside over there under the house. So I'm gonna see if I can get them out. Not all of them, but at least, I don't know, 20. Let's see. Got a crowd over here already.
Hello. Welcome to Rican Thai Family with Nudge, TK and Nelson. Come join our lives while we travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with Rican Thai Family.
So I found a lot of goodies. I found this bucket to mix the cement. I'm glad I saved this so I don't have to buy it again. I found a shovel from last time and those metals I'm gonna put over here to make the cement strong. Got my bricks and a bucket for water and stuff like that. So I'm gonna make it like that with those bricks. And then a door go here later on before we go back home. And the cement will go this way, level down. And then later on I'll clean that up and put cement going down there as well. I'll clean this wall later on after I build the garage up here. I'll clean that really good and the wall and everything because I'm gonna close this up. All this area is gonna be closed up for my kitchen over here. I think I'll put the wall here where this thing is right there. I'll put the wall here, come up, and then down there in that corner behind the oven. And I'll leave like a big window there, a big window here in the front, and a big door here on this side. That'll be a nice little kitchen up to like here. That'll be my kitchen here. Put a fridge in here somewhere and like a countertop over here. Granite maybe, where I can work. That'll be nice, hopefully. Just to have a place to stay and just cook whatever I want to eat, do whatever I want here, put some music, some speakers and stuff.
I want to buy big like that.
Big
I want
what?
to sing like a song.
Do that again. Like a song. Karaoke on the top? Is that what you're saying? I don't like karaoke.
No, movie.
For movies, yeah.
Buy big one. Big speaker, right?
Look, the TK's scars are not going away. No, that's not good.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, baby later. Baby
You still look cute. Now you look like you're a bad boy, you know?
Yeah.
Do like that. Do it. TK, yeah. Angry face. Come on, Papa. Do angry face. Can I do angry face? Only happy face? Only happy face. This one can do an angry face. I've seen it before. Do it again.
Not have to angry, only close my mouth, do alone.
Oi. We put Christmas decorations already because we're gonna be gone. I don't think people know or care but here in Thailand, right? But yeah, we put some stuff up over there. They look nice. How we doing today, no? Going to Lotus? Alright, Lotus it is. Let's go. Oh, the pool looks beautiful, no? Look at the pool. Oh,
This one's small.
that water look clean, no?
But that's what I told you about. เปิดแล้วค่ะเดี๋ยวขึ้นไปชั้น2เลยนะคะเปิดประตูเข้าไปใช่ไหมใช่ค่ะ
Let's go fitness. Let's see. Oh crap! Look at this. Okay. Oh yeah, no. I can come here and work out. Oh yeah, they have weights and everything. Look. The view is beautiful.
บันโด
Okay.
บันโดเชียร์
I see that, yeah.
Six.
Okay, I guess I found my place to come work out. Man, the equipment looks good too. Hi, Papa, let's go. Here we are, Lotus. Lotus.
Hello.
TK wants to eat some KFC, and then we'll get some other stuff that we need.
And after that, we go home.
That's correct. But they have a nice pool too. That pool is nice for TK to go swimming,
Yeah,
and
the cheese.
they teach how to swim, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll get TK to take that class 10 hours for 4,000 baht.
No.
That should
No.
be good.
No. 1,000. No, but 1,000.
Alright. So Lola wants me to make her something where she can put her plants here. Like a step. So I came here to do that today. We're moving the plants right now, and then we'll take some of
My
that wood over
uncle
there
come about.
and make over here the step.
What the heck?
Yep, let's do it. The wood that she wants to use for this project, I don't think she understands the condition that they're in. They're all rotted. I don't understand. Maybe this one on here. I don't know how it looks, but
พวกมันกินหมดแล้วนะแดง
she just burn all that stuff.
ต้องเผาเด้ไม่ใช่
So this is how it's going
โยกได้อะ
with the old ugly wood.
อะไร
Let's go. Dude, let's go.
ใหญ่กว่าเนี่ยแบบเนี่ยถามเกม
Done.
Go.
Did my best with what she had. Don't look too bad. Strong enough. It'll last her 6 more months. Maybe. Who knows? TK don't have money. He poor. He wants to get money.
มาทีเค
More bottle. TK get it.
Soda.
Oh, this one too?
Lola.
All of them go in there.
นี่เลยหน้ามันได้นี่เดี๋ยวออก
Nuki with all the colors as always.
นี่เอาละจ้ะเก็บขวดขายแล้วฝรั่ง
Oh, come too late, these people. To help. Nuke's shower head broke off, and I bought this one. Not broke off, but it came. The corner right there came off, and water was leaking everywhere. But this one for Nuke and TK to play. Anyways, we're done for today. I know, long day. We did that.
I stand too long
We helped, we made something for Lola over there, the shelves. And now we just finished cleaning here the front, getting rid of some of that dust that comes over here. Can't say that that's a thing that I don't like about Thailand, because Alaska used to be the same way. It was even worse over there, right? A lot of dust all the time. But here we just gotta clean up here, the front right there, and it's all good. I think once we get that garage, the roof up here done, it'll be nice. Won't be that much dust coming up here. It'll stay on top. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, that's it. No. Bye bye.
So this one you see this one they have.
Yeah, so you can put it on the wall. Yeah.